Hey there guys, and welcome to a new video on editing tutorials. And in this new video I'll be taking on a tutorial on pips. Now in this tutorial it will be all about the adding of pips and how to edit it on your video. So first I'll select a video that I want to add a pip on. Then I scroll on this bar and I look for pip here. I click it, then it takes me back here. So I go to photo, so I can select this as a pip. So when this icon shows whenever your pip has been selected, so this is the bar for your video. And when you click it again, it goes off and takes you back to the normal icon. And then when you click on the pip that you just added, it now shows icon and icons and other things that you can do to edit your pip. So firstly, I would want to explain how this works. So when you add your pip, you can determine how long or how short it can be with these two green arrows here by the side. So to make it longer, just stretch it out a little bit, yeah, and to make it shorter, just bring it back in. So I think that's 5 seconds should be okay for us. What's it doing? Okay, let's just make it 6. So then here on this icon bar, you'll see things like add, animation, chroma, split, mask, delete, chrome, crop, blend, opacity, volume, full, filter, duration, speed, copy, replace, and rotate. So the first thing here is add. So here you can add another pip to your video. It can be a photo or a video. So let's add another photo like this. So this is it. So as you can see, when you add a new pip, it shows 4 seconds. That's how it is. So as you can see, this is the new pip that was added, and if I click on the bottom one, it will show the old pip. So you click on the first pip, you can choose to delete it or keep it. But here we'll be using one photo, so we're going to delete it. So now click here again. So now we're moving on to the animation. Now the animation is how the pip is going to come into your video. So I think a slide view, we have many options here to choose from. So I think I'll just be picking a slide view. That means like slide up. So I'll be picking the slide up option. Also, I will be muting my audio clip so that we won't be hearing the video sounds, since we're already going to be working on the pip, and maybe at the end of the video I can play it with how the pip editing has gone. So but for now the video clip is going to be muted. So the next thing here is the chroma. Now for the chroma is like blending in with the original video or photo selected. So here, if I take the color down here, it takes the background of this logo to blend in with the other video. But if I take it to this blue one here, this lighter blue shade, it makes it to blend in with the photo that has been selected. So I'll just, the strength will have to determine how much it will blend in, and yeah, so this is how it's going to look like. But the shadow will be, it will be better off with the shadow being on 0, because the shadow will make it darker and it won't blend in with the photo or video that was originally selected. So the next thing here now is split. Now, as we already know in one of the previous videos, split is to divide. So when I say split, we'll be dividing the pip into two different parts. But before that, I would like to change the chroma back to this from here. I think I like it better here as, yeah, so to show this icon on its own. Okay, so now the next thing is split. Now to split your video is like to divide it. So wherever, to split your video is like divide it. So wherever this orange line here is on, it's always split the pip into two parts. So that's it basically on split. So I'll just press undo to undo the split. So the next thing now is mask. Now the mask is like changing it to different shapes. So the line here, so firstly the line here is like dividing the pip into two different parts. But what I like about this line is that this feather, what I like about this mask is that the feather option here, it makes the remaining parts of the pip to look faded. So in the mirror, okay, let me reduce it. In the mirror, this mirror icon, then the circle, then the rectangle, then the heart, then star. Okay, so these are basically it. So then I think we'll just be going with none for now. Okay, so then the next thing here is delete. I think we already know how that works, so we'll just be moving forward. Now to crop. Now in cropping your pip that has been selected, now as you can see there are many crop options here, but it's better you just go with free, because all these options are already programmed to cut the photo into different sizes no matter what. So for example 1:1, 4:5, 16:19. As you can see here in 16:19, we can only make it smaller, we can't make it larger, and it is cutting off part of the logo. In 9:16, it makes it very precise to the photo. 3:4 gives a little gap from the real image. Then 4:3, 2:3, 3:2, 2:1, 1:2. But I think I'll still be going with the free, so that you can select which one you want no matter what. So I'll be okay. Then the blend. Now this blend is how well it is going to stay on your photo or video that has been selected. So we just click on blend, then we'll go to filter. So there are many options here in the blend. So we have the normal, darken, and move it up here to the light, then filter, immediately feed it into it, and overlay, then slide, and lighting, highlights, soft, color burn, dodge, and that's all. So your opacity can be increased or decreased here. So if you're going with the filter and your opacity is like a 24 or 20, this is how it will look like. It's barely visible. So I just leave it like this. And then opacity again. I've already said that, so I'm going to set it again. So then the volume. I don't think the volume here can be changed since I muted the audio clip. And check. Okay. Even after I'm muting the audio clip, the volume still can be changed. So we have the full. Okay, this is on the pip. So do you want the pip to be full or do you want it to be fit? Now the fit is as you can design to take any size you want, but the full will take a full size to start with. But if it is a fit, just take a smaller portion and then you can edit the size of that. So then we have filter. Now filters will not actually work on this since the opacity of the photo is low, so it will only make it little or no difference. So the duration is how long the paper is going to stay. So we already selected about 6 seconds, but let's see if we're going to affect anything. 10 seconds here. As you can see, the duration here was 10.3 seconds and it affected the duration of the pip on the showcasing segment. So it will now be 10.3 seconds. Then the speed, since this is just a photo, the speed and volume will not be able to be changed or affected. Duplicate every single thing you have done again. So now take it to the darker part of the video so you can see this. Copy will literally copy every single thing you have done again. So then we don't need a copy of this, so we'll just press undo. So to undo the copy, so we click on this again, then we now move to replace. Now replace should be like to change it. So if you don't want that, you can just put this. So now it has been replaced by another photo. So every single effect has been taken onto that photo that you replaced it with. But this photo, yes, as you can see, the photo has been replaced by another one. So we'll just undo that. And we can still have the normal photo that was selected. So then we now move to rotate. Now rotating will change how it's going to look like. So 90 degree minus 90 degrees. So we have minus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. We have flip up and down and mirror left and right. So this is basically everything on pip. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified every single time I make a new video. Thank you for watching.